Hello, I'm Anna Kasatkina. Welcome to the InstaForex news channel. The FRS asset purchase will not trigger the labor market recovery, though it is able to shatter the confidence in the FRS, announced Charles Plosser, the president of the FRS Philadelphia, who currently opposes any assets buying. Plosser has mentioned that even if the additional asset purchases lead to the decrease of the long-term bonds yield by 10-20 basis points, they will not affect significantly the short-term employment prospects, which is one of the most important economic problems now. However, the head of the FRS Philadelphia will support aggressive asset purchases in order to combat the deflationary anticipations in case the latter will be revealed, though in that case the FRS will need to explain its target of fighting the deflationary expectations. However, currently he sees no significant deflationary risk in the USA and expects the inflationary expectations to remain at a stable level. In addition, if the economy continues to recover at a moderate pace, the Federal Reserve will have to normalize the monetary policy, having refused from the current mild attitude of selling the assets in order to reduce the balance and increase the short-term interest rates. Plosser's comments were announced amid the continuing financial market discussions as to the launching of another quantitative easing program directed to backstop the economy. The program assumes the U.S. Treasury's purchases. Last month, the FRS started to buy the Treasury bonds on the revenues from selling the mortgage-secured assets with the expiring maturity term. On the background of poor data, the majority of the market participants are confident in that the FRS will have to start an official large-scale program before the end of the year in order to incent the economic recovery. Plosser expects the US GDP to uprise by 3–3.5% within the following 2 years, with the core inflation in 2010 equaling to 1–1.5% and increasing in 2011 to 2%. In the course of time, he awaits the gradual stabilization of the inflation within the range of 1.5–2%. Meanwhile, Plosser stated that the uncertainty incidental to the taxes and the regulation process can be rather injurious to the economic advance at this step of the economic cycle. These were the latest financial news provided to you by InstaForex. Thank you and goodbye.